would have seen the press announcement by the ministry yesterday. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narinder Modi will be visiting Johannesburg, South Africa from 21st to 23rd of November to attend the G20 Leaders Summit at the invitation of President of South Africa. This will be Prime Minister's fourth official visit to South Africa, following his bilateral visit in 2016 and later for the two BRICS summits in 2018 and 2023. This is the first G20 summit that will be happening on African soil, and in that context will bring the spotlight on the development issues of Africa as also of the global South. It may also be recalled that it was during India's G20 presidency in 2023 that the African Union was inducted into G20 as permanent member. Apart from G20 members, South Africa has invited several guest countries, non-members that we know, and several heads of international organizations to the Leaders Summit in Johannesburg. The summit will be important for India to ensure continuity of its priorities in the G20 after having hosted a very successful presidency in 2023. As you are aware, the G20 has emerged as a premium forum for international economic cooperation, as well as for discussing matters of global significance. The G20 provides an excellent opportunity for the leaders of these large economies and emerging economies, representing over 85% of global GDP and around 3/4 of the world population, to come together and discuss important issues impacting the world.